In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a foreign currency account in Japanese yen using the Wise app. This feature is incredibly useful, especially if you're planning to travel to Japan or if you frequently deal with Japanese yen for any transactions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to make sure that you've logged into your account on the Wise app. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, it's time to get started with setting up your Japanese yen balance. Next, look for the Add button. This button is your gateway to adding different features to your Wise account, and it's usually prominently displayed for easy access. Give it a click. This will open up a menu where you can select various options. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Balance. By choosing this, you're essentially setting up a new balance in a different currency, which is really handy when dealing with international travel or transactions. Once you've selected Balance, a new window will pop up. On this screen, you'll see an option labeled Open. Click on that to initiate the process of establishing a new currency balance within your account. Now comes the exciting part, selecting the currency. In this case, we are setting up an account in Japanese yen. Scroll through the currency options until you find Japanese yen, and then go ahead and select it. It's all about making sure you have the right currency ready for your needs. With your currency selected, you will then see a Confirm button. Clicking this will finalize the setup of your yen balance, and just like that, you've opened a balance in Japanese yen. This new balance enables you to add money whenever you choose. It's a great feature to use during your travels to Japan because it allows for seamless transactions in the local currency. The best part? Wise will automatically convert your money when necessary, making transactions smooth and straightforward. Whether you want to add money, convert currencies, send, or request money, this balance in Japanese yen provides a lot of flexibility. If you're dealing with multiple currencies regularly, this feature makes Wise all the more powerful and user-friendly. So there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your finances in Japanese yen using Wise. This feature ensures you're always prepared no matter where your travels take you. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels and efficient transactions.